Papu, Kanna, listen here. This is Ruby Teresa, 8th standard. Example 1.19, Numbers chapter. Find the rational numbers that should be added and subtracted so that they will make the sum to the nearest whole number. So first, what you have to find out? You read the problem again. Find the rational numbers that should be added and subtracted so that they will make the sum of these numbers to the nearest whole numbers. So first, what you have to find out? One of you tell me. Very good. You have to find the sum. So 3 1 by 2 plus 1 3 by 4 plus 2 3 by 8. You have to add these numbers. This is in which form? Very good. Mixed number. Mixed fraction. Isn't it? So you can convert this into improper. You have to convert this into improper. How you have to convert? 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. First you have to multiply these two. 3 2s are 6. After multiplying this, you have to add the numerator. Understand? 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Plus 1 3 by 4. 1 4 is 4. 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 by 4. Plus 2 8s are 16. 1 8 is 8. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 3. Very good. 19. 19 by 8. So now you got it in the P by Q form, isn't it? So you have to see whether it is in standard form. Yes, it is in standard form because 1 is the common factor for both numerator and denominator. There is no negative symbol in the denominator, isn't it? So next what you got to see to add these numbers? Yes. Common denominator. If it is a common, if they have the common denominator, then you can add the numerator and divide it by the common denominator. But here you don't have the common denominator. That means what? You have to take out the LCM, common denominator. Understand? You can do it in two ways. Either you can do it as usual like this. What is the common multiple? 2. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again what? 2. 1 you have to bring it as it is. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Understand? You can stop here itself. Inge nirthirlandigana 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. That's all. Those who are practiced like this. நிறைய பேத்துக்கு இந்த 1, 1, 1 வரணும். அப்படி இருந்தாதான். So what is LCM? Very good. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. But here you see 8 here itself it is there. புரியுதாடா கண்ணா? இந்த 8 இங்கே இருக்குது பாருங்க. So among these three, you got to see the highest one. 8. Is it coming in 2 table or not? Yes. 8 என்றது 2 table வருதா வரலையா? வருது. Then 8. Is it the multiple of 4? 4 ஓட மல்டிப்ளை இல்லையா? 4 ஓட மல்டிப்ளை இல்லையா? 4 டேபிள்ல வருதா இல்லையா? Yes. Then 8 is the LCM. No need to do these many steps here. இவ்வளோ ஸ்டெப்ஸ் நீ செய்யணும்ன்ற அவசியமே கிடையாது. இப்படி கொடுத்தாங்கனாலே இதனோட ஹையஸ்டை எடுங்க. எடுத்துட்டு ஜஸ்ட் யூ சி whether it is a multiple. புரியுதுங்களா? 8ன்னு எடுக்கிறீங்க. 2 டேபிள்ல இது வருது. It is the multiple of 2. 4 table வருது. 8 is the multiple of 4. So 8 is the LCM. Do you follow or not? புரியுதாடா கண்ணா? அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும் நீங்க இங்க 7/2 you have to convert this 2 into 8. இந்த 2 நீ என்னவா மாத்தணும்? 8 மாத்தணும். That means what? Very good. 2 4s are 8. That means what? Numerator also it should be multiplied by 4. Understand? Plus 7/4. 4 should be multiplied by 2 to get 8. புரியுதாடா கண்ணா? 4 வந்து 2 மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி எதுக்காக? 8 கிடைக்கணும். We have to get same denominator. So numerator also multiplied by 2. Here is there any change? No, because 8 is there. You write as it is. Understand? So next one is what? 7 4s are. Otherwise 4 7s are. Understand? 7 4s are. Otherwise 4 7s are. 3 7s are 21. 4 7s are 28. 28/8. Otherwise 5 4s are 20. 6 4s are 24. 7 4s are 28. Next 2 7s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 14/8 plus 19/8. Now you see type 1, common denominator. So numerators are added and divided by the common denominator. So 28 plus 14 plus 19. புரியுதா அடிக்கண்ணு? You have to add all these things. புரியுதுங்களா? எப்படி ஆட் பண்ணலாம்? Very good. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 3 13. 13 plus 7 20. 20 plus 1 21. Remainder 2 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 61/8. This is an improper fraction. This is a improper fraction. Understand? So you have to convert this into mixed number, mixed fraction. Understand? So what you have to do? You have to divide this by 8. So 61 divided by 8. 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. 7 8s are 56. Understand? So 61 minus 56. What is it? 60 minus 56 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is 7. What is remainder? 5. 5/8. 7 5/8. So where it lies? This number lies between 7 5/8. So it exceeds 7. இது 7 தாண்டுது. அப்ப கண்டிப்பா where it is 7 and 8. It lies between 7 and 8. How? 7. Here you see. 1. How many parts? 8 parts. Understand? So 1/8. Next one. 2/8. That is 7 1/8. 7 2/8. Next 7 3/8. Next 7 4/8. Next 7 5/8. Where it lies? It lies between the whole numbers 7 and 8. Next one is what? 7 6/8. Next 7 7/8. Next one is 8. Because 7 8/8, that is 7 plus 1, that is equal to 8. So it lies between, understand, you have to write 7 5/8 lies between the whole numbers, because they are asking the whole numbers. Whole numbers 7 and 8. It is better to draw a number line. It is better to draw a number line. Then only you will be very clear. But it is not compulsory. Kana number line வரைஞ்சு இது எது பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கிளியரா புரியும். இல்ல மிஸ் நான் இது இல்லாமே செஞ்சிருவேனா it is very good. It is well and good. Without number line, you will be able to say that it lies between 7 and 8. It is very good. But this is better understanding. Next one, what they have asked actually, what should be added and subtracted? So you have to get 7 and you have to get 8. So when are you getting 7 and when are you getting 8? 7 kadekini, 8 kadekini. This is very easy. Understand? 7 5 by 8. இப்போ இந்த 7 கிடைக்கணும்னா எந்த பார்ட்ஸ் இருக்க கூடாது? which part you should not have? Very good. இல்லையா? கரெக்டா கரெக்ட் இல்லையா? We follow. That means this is actually what? 1 by 8, 1, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 5 by 8. So this 5 by 8 parts, if you are removing, if you are subtracting, you will get 7. So 7 5 by 8, understand? From 7 5 by 8. From 7 5 by 8, understand? If we subtract, if you want to write it in sentence, you can write otherwise, minus 5 by 8, you will get 5. 7 5 by 8 minus 5 by 8 will give 7. Understand? So which one you have to subtract? 5 by 8 should be subtract. So you have to write. Understand? If we subtract 5 by 8 from 7 5 by 8, we will get 7. Understand? So this is one answer. 5 by 8 should be subtracted from 7 5 by 8. 5 by 8 should be subtracted from 7 5 by 8. That's all. Next one, what you want to get? 8. Understand? You want to get 8. That means, understand? If we add, that is 7 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. How? 1, 2, 3. 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. This part also it is there. Understand? Do you follow? How you can write this? 7 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. That means what? 7 plus 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. 7 5 by 8 is nothing but 7 plus 5 by 8. Understand? Do you follow or not? Every one of you. So 7 plus, I told you know what? 5 plus 3 by 8. This is 7 plus 8 by 8. That is equal to 7 plus 8 by 8 is what? Nothing but 1. That is equal to what? 8. So what you have to write? If we add 3 by 8 to 7 5 by 8. 7 5 by 8 or 3 by 8 add பண்ணனா. If we add 3 by 8 to 7 5 by 8, we get 8. Understand? Do you follow or not? புரியுது அடிக்கண்ணு என்னன்னு? அதனால நீங்க அதுக்காக இந்த நம்பர் லைன் போட சொன்னேன். இப்போ இது எப்படி தெரியும்? ஒண்ணுல அடிக்கண்ணு. 8 minus 5 is 3. So 3 by 8. Understand? அப்படி தெரியலனாலும் இதுல பாத்துக்கோங்க. 8 minus 5 is what? 3. 3 by 8. Then you will get 1. புரிஞ்சுதா புரியலையா? Do you follow? This is nothing but இது வந்து ஈஸியா தெரிஞ்சிரும் உங்களுக்கு. ஏன்னா இது 7 ஹோல் நம்பர்னும் போது இந்த நம்பரை நம்ம அப்படியே எடுத்துட்டோம்னாலே 7 வந்துரும் தெரியும். பட் இங்க இந்த 3 by 8ன்றது ஒன்னா நம்பர் லைன்ல தெரியணும். இல்லாட்டி இந்த 8ல இருந்து 5 சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணுங்க, இங்க 3 ன்னு கிடைக்கும். அப்ப 3 by 8. ஏன்னா இப்ப ஆட் பண்ண 8 by 8ன்னு வரும். அது 1 மாறிடும். புரிஞ்சுதா அடிக்கண்ணே? ஆக்சுவலா இங்கேயே பிளஸ் போட்டுக்கணும். உங்களுக்கு புரியணும்ன்றதுக்காக மிஸ் வந்து இது அப்படியே கொடுத்துருக்கிறேன். வேற ஒண்ணும் கிடையாது. சரியா? புரியுதா? Do you follow every one of you?